Hi friends, it's Julia. Welcome to 31 Days of Scrapbooking in December, where I'm sharing a layout each day that is Christmas themed. Today is day number 17 and I am starting off with a page map sketch. Now this one has lots of border strips in the background and this will be perfect. I have a lot of stuff pulled already as far as border strips go. You can see all of these here. They're bits and pieces of leftovers that I've had in previous kits as well as from this kit. Plus I have all of these here beside me. Yeah, where I can just rifle through and pull in what I need. I actually have a piece of ribbon in here as well, and then I have there's some more border strips. A leftover couple of pieces of washi tape. This one is one of those glitter pieces from Close to My Heart, and these were from a Target Dollar Spot washi roll with that metallic green tree. I have pulled in tons more stars left over from a previous project. I've pulled in a reindeer that I paper pieced together, as well as a Santa Claus. I've pulled in this just a little bit of ephemera. It was part of a cut apart, and then some representation of some of the washi tapes that I might want to use, and I think that might be it, as well as the photos. I have a couple of photos and it's just my house in the dark at Christmas time with the lights on outside and snow. Anywho, so that's where I'm starting with. I'll share a close-up of the sketch and then I'll be back to show you what I create. Okay friends, I'm done with layout number 17. Woo woo! This is what I have left of my original pile. I cut a piece of the ribbon off that says Christmas. I have a few little border strips and I love that paper, so I'm not going to get rid of it. It's going into my little pile over here. I have all of these stars left. I used quite a few, but I still have quite a few left, and I used each of those washi tapes in the completion of the layout. There's a sketch, and here is my layout. I did cut the pattern paper down. It is a Heidi Swapp paper, and because when I have these kind of papers that are busy across them and they go to the very edge, I like to have something to stop the spread of the layout out. You know, it's just one of those things. If it's a busy paper, I just feel the need to have something on the edge. I don't know why that is. That's just me. You can see I have all of the border strips back there that I had pulled out, bits and pieces of washi tape strips that were left over. I have those in there. All the border strips that I had pulled, I have in there, and I pieced some of them together to make them go all the way across in that center there. Some of the different scallop pieces that I have there, another scallop piece down here, more washi tape. A couple more scallop pieces and washi tape down here. I have washi tape across here. My title is just that Winter Wonderland. You can see I added stars. I added the Santa Claus. I added the deer. I added a little Felicity Jane tab from their Christmas kit. And I think that's really the only thing other than the washi tape that I used. And I did not put my date on the bottom, and that was from December. I am really I can't remember if I've used a Santa Claus before, but I've used a ton of these reindeer. I think probably 2 or 3 already, and so I'm making good headway on getting those used up. At the end of this year, with all of my scraps, I'm going to have more. I'm going to need to make some more, I think, for the coming years. The stars, I've got tons of, and I don't have any metallic papers this year that I have added into my supply, so if I need to, I can always pull out a piece of glitter paper to add to. I will If you did not see my previous layouts, I will direct you to the playlist that I have going on over on my YouTube channel. And if you hunt through those, there is a secret giveaway in one of those videos, and you have until the 20th to find it and to comment on that post and subscribe to my channel in order to be entered to win the giveaway. So make sure, go back and look through the videos. I didn't put it in the comments, so you'll have to figure that one out on your own. Anyway, guys, I hope this inspired you today, and I hope you enjoyed the whole process, not necessarily of me gluing everything down, but seeing where I started and then what I ended up with. I think that's one of the things that I like so much about this whole process of creating these short little videos through the month of December, is that I am getting to skip out on a lot of that process of gluing things down and then just showing you the completed project. It makes my videos go so fast, and the editing is so much faster as well. I appreciate you guys for being here today, for watching my videos, and I will see you guys tomorrow on the next layout. Have a great day, everyone, and don't forget to stay for the close-ups at the end. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.